Hello, what's up guys? Today we are gonna see how to optimize OBS to work on a trash PC. Basically a potato PC. This laptop is a Lenovo IdeaPad 320. It has an E2 7th gen APU and Radeon R2 graphics. So yeah, to optimize OBS you just have to go to settings. Hopefully it closed. Yeah. Today I'm using the same preset I'm gonna show you to record. You just have to go to output, recording, and just copy my settings. If you don't have that many options in your OBS, just go down, press view mode and put it to advanced, and just start copying my presets. Put quality preset to speed, profile to high, profile level to automatic, rate control method, constant bitrate, pre-pass mode disabled, target bitrate 1750. You can try pushing that to like 2000, but anything lower than that is gonna impact your the quality of your recording severely. Put these values as I said them, 18 and 51. Filter data enabled, frame skipping disabled, VBV buffer automatic, VBV buffer strictness 50, keyframe interval 3.00, and set them as I set them here, and press apply, press OK, and you can just record. Hopefully you can record on a potato PC. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and peace.